Welcome to Creative Vault, a channel about motivational and inspiration for creators. Welcome to the new year, new you. Listen, this isn't just another year. 2025, this is the year. The year you stop sitting on your potential. The year you stop doubting yourself. The year you move. Not because you're ready, but because you're tired of staying in the same place. Trust me, I get it. I've been there, trying to juggle life, trying to build something when it feels like the weight of the world is on you. Credit issues, family stress, self-doubt, man, it all stacks up. But here's what I realized. The world isn't waiting for you to feel ready. It's daring you to step up anyway. I started my brand Create Club when I was at my lowest. I didn't have it all figured out, but I had one thing: vision. And that vision, it's what's keeping me moving forward no matter what's thrown my way. So what's stopping you? Fear? Doubt? The idea that you're not good enough? Let me tell you something. The only person holding you back right now is you. Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's handing out breakthroughs. You gotta go and take it. The world isn't asking for perfect. It's asking for authentic. It's asking for you. So stop overthinking it. Stop waiting for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. Move. Start that thing you've been putting off. Make mistakes. Grow. 2025 is the year of vision forward. It's not just a slogan. It's a way of life. It's about taking the hits, learning the lessons, and building your own path. This ain't about looking back. This is about what you're creating next. So are you moving with me? Are you ready to create your breakthrough? Drop your goals in the comments because I want to know what you're working toward. And if nobody told you today, you got this. Welcome to the movement.